everyone, welcome to today's edition of Thursday Health Tips with Layo. So guess what, today we'll be talking about pimples. I know pimples is a very common thing that happens to almost everyone. Now, a simple definition of pimples is a small raised spot on the skin. Note, pimples cannot just be found on the face, but then it can be found on other parts of the body such as the shoulder, the chest, the back, the neck. Now, there are several factors that lead to the development of pimples. I'll just be taking us through a few of them. Now, one of them is excess oil on the skin. When the body produces lots of facial oil, dead skin cells can stick together and block the pores in the skin. And when the pores in the skin is blocked, it allows and makes it easier for bacteria to enter into it, thus causing the pimple. So most of the times during puberty, there's increased level of testosterone in male and female, which triggers the production of oily secretions on the skin. Also, some medications can cause pimples as a side effect. Then stress can also cause pimples, and then rubbing of affected areas on the skin can also contribute to the development of pimples. Now, moving on to the prevention and management of pimples. First, wash the face regularly. Now, it is important that you wash the face regularly, but then don't wash the face more than twice a day, and avoid using harsh cleansers to wash the face. Now, it's important to wash the face off oil, off dirt, and off sweat daily. Now, also, it is also important to wash the hair regularly, especially for those with oily hair, and avoid letting the hair to touch the face frequently, because when you have oily hair and allowing oily hair that has germs and all of that to touch the face regularly and the skin, it will actually allow for flare-ups of pimples. Then, also important to avoid frequent touching of the face. Now, we use our hands for a lot of things in a day. Now, when you use your hands for a lot of things, that means there are dirt, there are germs, and there are a lot of things that your hand has already taken up. Now, using this same hand that's taking up dirt and germs to touch the face, touch the skin frequently, can actually trigger pimples on the skin. In addition, it is also important that you drink plenty of water to stay hydrated, because dehydration may actually signal to the body to produce more oil, and like I said earlier, too much oil on the skin or the face actually triggers pimples. Also, most importantly, don't forget that while washing the face, you gently wash the face not more than twice daily, and reduce stress. For the management of pimples, the proper oral or topical medication can be gotten at the pharmacy. Now, for severe pimples, it is important that you visit your physician for a proper treatment plan. It's an undeniable fact that many of us must have had pimples at one time or the other. Now, the management guidelines stated earlier is not exhaustive, but do well to follow these guidelines to maintain and have a perfect, healthy, and radiant skin that every one of us deserves. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you next Thursday on Thursday LPG.